Okay. Next part D, 5 marks questions. Question number 41. Right. So question number 41 ಎದ್ರ ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಬರುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Solve the linear equation by using matrix method. Okay. So question number 1. Solve the following system of linear equation by using matrix method. So right. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಡ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡುವ ಒಂದು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಆ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಈಜಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ಸು ಮೈನಸ್ಸು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಭಾಳ ಈಜಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ರೈಟ್. ಸೇಮ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಯಾವುದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈಜಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ರೈಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿ ದ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ಸ್ right. So given equation x minus y plus z is equal to 4, 2x plus y minus 3z is equal to 0, x plus y plus z equal to 2, right. First to write matrix A. So matrix A equal to, so the given linear equation, so that is equal to matrix A, right. Write the coefficients x, y, z coefficients on the first row. So here x coefficient is 1, right, 1. So next y coefficient is minus 1. Next z coefficient is 1. Okay, so next, okay, this is a 3 cross 3 matrix. So the next x coefficient in the second linear equation, x coefficient is 2 and y coefficient 1 and z coefficient is minus 3. Okay, so next x coefficient is 1, y coefficient is 1, z coefficient is 1. This is a matrix A. Next to write matrix B. So matrix B equal to, okay na, right, this numbers 4 0 2, these are the matrix B, 4 0 2. Okay, matrix B. So next we'll take x matrix that is called x y z. Okay, right. First to find the determinant of A. Determinant of A equal to, so you know that determinant of A equal to plus, here it is minus, and again this is a plus, right. Okay, we'll take this element, plus is there 1 ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಈ ರೋ ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, ಇವೆರಡು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಮಾಡು. 1 into 1 becomes what, 1, write it minus first. 1 into minus 3 becomes minus 3, minus what, plus 3. Okay, right. So next here it is minus, here also minus, this minus becomes what, plus, right, plus. Okay, right. So this column and this row, right, multiple this numbers. Okay, right, here it is plus 1 in bracket. Okay, ಈ ಕಾಲಮು ಮತ್ತು ರೋ ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, 2 into 1 2 minus, again 1 into minus 3 minus what, plus 3. Okay, next last plus 1. ಸೊ ಈ ಕಾಲಮು ಮತ್ತು ರೋ ಬಿಡಬೇಕು ರೈಟ್, ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2 into 1 becomes what, 2. Okay, next 1 into 1 becomes 1 minus 1. Okay, right. That is equal to determinant of A equal to 1 into 1 plus 3 becomes what, 4, plus 1 into 2 plus 3 becomes 5. Next plus 1, 2 minus 1 becomes 1. So that is equal to determinant of A equal to 1 into 4 becomes 4, 1 into 5 becomes 5, 1 into 1 becomes 1. Okay, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 5 becomes what, 10. So determinant value is 10. Right. Okay, right. Next. Okay, so after computation of determinant of A, then to find the adjacent of A, right. See, ಒಂದು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಆ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು adjacent of A ಅನ್ನ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ರೈಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಎ ಏನಿದೆ, ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ 1 minus 1 1, ಅದನ್ನ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಎ ಅನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರೀ ರೈಟ್. 1 ಸಿ minus 1 and 1. Okay, next 2 1 minus 3. Okay, see next one is 1 1 1. Clear, matrix A, right. So again repeat first 2 elements here, 1 minus 1. Okay, here 2. Okay, next one, first 2 elements, next here it is 1 1. Okay, so complete this. After that first row and second row again repeat, very really ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, 1 minus 1. Okay, again it is 1 and 1 minus 1. Okay, next second row again repeat by 2 1 minus 3 2 1. Okay, simple ಇದೆ ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬರೀರಿ. ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಮತ್ತು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಥರ, ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟು A11 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ರೈಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ A11 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, A11 ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇವನು ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ 1 ಇಂಟು 1 ಏನಾಯಿತು 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಡ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 1 ಇಂಟು -3 ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ -3 minus what +3 that is equal to what 4. A11 value. Next to A12 value that is equal to next ಇದನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ -3 into 1 becomes -3 minus, okay, 1 into 2 becomes 2, -3 minus 2 becomes what -5. Okay, next A13 value, A13 equal to, okay, next, okay, ಇದನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ 2 into 1 becomes what 2 minus 1 into 1 becomes 1, 2 minus 1 becomes what 1. Okay, so next A21, okay, this element 1 into 1 becomes 1 minus 1 into 1 becomes what -1 minus plus 1, 1 plus 1 becomes what 2. Next A22 equal to, okay, right, 1 into 1 becomes 1 minus 1 into 1 becomes 0, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1 becomes what 0. Next A23 is equal to, so A23 is equal to, right, 1 into -1 becomes -1 minus 1 into 1 becomes 1, minus 1 becomes what -2. Okay, so next to A31 value, simple, A31 equal to, okay, multiply these two terms and -1 into -3 becomes what +3, minus 1 into 1 becomes 1, 3 minus 1 becomes what 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay, right. So next to A32, simple, again multiple this one, 1 into 2 becomes what 2 minus -3 into 1 -3 minus what +3 equal to what 5. Next last A33 equal to, okay, just multiple by 1 into 1 minus 2 into -1 becomes -2 minus +2 that is equal to what 3, right. Okay, what is adjoint of A? See, you know the adjoint of A equal to, right, simple, adjoint of A equal to, okay, I will write A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32 and A33, okay, whole transpose, this transpose, right. Okay, right, write the element of A11, adjoint of A equal to, right. So very important, adjoint of A ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದಂಗೆ, ರೈಟಾ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು, ರೈಟ್. ರೈಟ್ ದ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ A11 here 4 C -5 and 1, okay. Next 2 0 2, okay, 2 0 minus 2, right. So next to my 2 5 and 3, okay. So transpose is equal to adjoint of A equal to what, adjoint of A equal to, okay, whole transpose ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೋ ಅನ್ನ ಕಾಲಮ್ದಾಗ ಬರೀರಿ, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ that becomes 4 minus 5 1 2 0 minus 2 2 5 3, okay, this is the adjoint of A. Okay, next to find A inverse. What is A inverse? You know that A inverse matrix is equal to what, A inverse equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Okay, so then that is equal to A inverse equal to what, 1 by determinant of A is what, determinant of A value is 10, adjoint of A equal to 4 2 2 minus 5 0 5 1 minus 2 3, okay, this is A inverse. Okay, next to find the x value, x is equal to, ಇದನ್ನು ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ, x is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ A inverse into B. Okay, so already A inverse ಅನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, so A inverse ಅನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡು, x matrix equal to, what is A inverse 1 by 10, what is the B matrix, A inverse is equal to 1 by 10 4 2 2, okay, minus 5 0 and 5, next 1 minus 2 3 into matrix B. Okay, what is the matrix B? See, 4 0 2 right here, 4 0 2. Okay, so next that is equal to, what is X matrix? You know that X Y Z, okay, is equal to 1 by 10. Okay, now matrix multiplication, rows into column, 4 4s are 16. Okay, next plus 2 zeros are 0. Next 2 into 2 4 plus 4. Next minus 5 into 4 minus 20. 0 into 0 0. 5 2s are 10. Okay, complete. Next 1 into 4 becomes what? 4. Minus 2 into 0 becomes 0. 2 3s are 6. Right? So that is equal to, okay, X Y Z equal to, right, 1 by 10. See this value, 16 plus 4 becomes what? 20. Next minus 20 plus 10 is minus 10. 4 plus 6 becomes what? 10. So that is equal to, okay, so ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 20 by 10, 20 by 10 becomes what? 2. Minus 10 by 10 becomes what? Minus 1. 10 by 10 becomes what? 10. Okay, 2 minus 1 1. Right, last you write the X value. X value is equal to 2, y value is equal to minus 1, z value is equal to 1. Okay, ಎಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇಷ್ಟು ಬಿಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಕ್ವಶನು ಬಿಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ, ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೇ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಬಿಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ರೈಟ್, ಸೊ ಇದು 2014 ಕೇಳಿರುವಂಥ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ರೈಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಸೇಮ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ನು, ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋವಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಸೊ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾ ನೀವು? Right, so ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ equation, right? Okay, see the solutions. Same method ಅಂತೂ change ಇರಲ್ಲ. First to write matrix A. What is matrix A? Okay, write the coefficient 1 here, minus 1 and 2. Next 3 4 and minus 5, 2 minus 1 3. Okay, this is a matrix A. Next, write matrix B. So what is matrix B? 7 minus 5 and 12. Okay, and X matrix. What is X matrix? X, Y, Z. Okay, first to find the determinant of A. So determinant of A is equal to, see, determinant of A equal to, okay, here it is plus, minus and plus. Okay, plus 1. Right, same method, this column and row. Okay, now remove this one, multiply 4 3s are 12, minus 1 into 5, minus plus, okay, 5, that becomes 12 minus 5. Here it is minus, here it is minus becomes what? Plus into, right? Okay, this column and this rows we redo budre, multiple 3 3s are what? 9. Okay, and minus 2 5s are 10, minus becomes what? 10. Okay, next plus 2 last. See this column and this row, 3 into minus 1 becomes what? Okay, 3 into minus 1 minus 3 minus 2 4s are 8. Okay, it's complete. So that is equal to 1. 12 minus 5 becomes what? Okay, 7. Next 1 into 9 plus 10 becomes 19, plus 2 into minus 3 and minus 8 is minus 11. Okay, so that is equal to 1 into 7 becomes 7, 1 into 19 becomes 90, minus 2 into minus 11 becomes what? Minus 22. See here, 7 plus 9 19, so that is equal to 26. 26 minus 22 is equal to what? 4. So determinant of A is equal to 4. Determinant of A is equal to 0 ಬರಬಾರ್ದು. Okay, 0 ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ so the linear of system of linear equation is have no solution ಅಂತ. Okay, so determinant of A is equal to 4 ಬಂತು, right? So next to find the adjoint of A. So ನಿಮಗೆ ನಾನು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ, ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನೇ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ? ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಎ ಬರ್ರಿ, ಏನದ 1 minus 1 2. Okay, next 3 4 and minus 5. Next 2 minus 1 3. Okay, again repeat these two elements 1 minus 1 and 3 4 2 minus 1. Okay, right. First two rows repeat again. 1 minus 1 2 1 minus 1 3 4 minus 5 3 4. Okay, right. See, ಈ ರೋ ಅನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ತವೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ರೈಟ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ರೈಟ್ A11. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ A11 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? A11 ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು, ಓಕೆ, ಇದನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್. 4 ಇಂಟು 3 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 12. ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರೀ ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ. minus 1 into minus 5 becomes minus 1 into minus 5 becomes what? Plus 5. See, that is 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5 becomes what? 7. Okay, A11 value is 7. Next, A12 value. A12 equal to, okay, next multiple ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Minus 5 into 2 becomes what? Minus 10 minus 3 3 is a 9. Okay, minus 10 minus 9 becomes what? Minus 19. Next, A13 equal to, okay, right, same method. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 3 into minus 1 becomes what? Minus 3. And next, minus 2 4s are 8, minus 8, minus L1. Okay, A13 completed. So next to A21. So A21 equal to, okay, right, minus 1 into 2 becomes what? Minus 2. And minus 1 into 3 minus 3 minus minus plus 3. Minus 2 plus 3 becomes what? 1. Next to A22 equal to, okay, next ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ? 3 into 1 becomes 3 minus 2 2s are 4. 3 minus 4 becomes what? Minus 1. Next, A23 equal to, okay, so next 2 into minus 1 becomes what? Minus 2. Minus 1 into minus 1 becomes what? Minus 1. That minus minus becomes plus. Okay, minus 2 plus 1 becomes what? Minus 1. Okay, next to minus 1 into minus 5 becomes what? A31. So that is equal to minus 1 into minus 5 becomes 5 minus 4 2s are 8. 5 minus 2, 5 minus 8 becomes what? Minus 3. Next, A32. Okay, it's simple. 2 into 3 becomes what? 6. 6 minus 5 into 1 becomes what? Minus 5 minus minus plus 5 is equal to L1. Okay, last, A33. A33 equal to 1 into 4 becomes 4 minus 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 minus minus plus 3 is equal to 7. Okay, so ಎಲ್ಲ cofactors ಅನ್ನು find out ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Okay, next to find what? Adjoint of A, right? So what is adjoint of A matrix? No, adjoint of A equal to, right, A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Okay, so transpose. Okay, right. Now write the elements. Adjoint of A equal to, what is A11? 7 minus 19 minus L1. Okay, next 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 3 L1 7 transpose. Okay, right, transpose ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Adjoint of A equal to C. Okay, first row as it is column 7 minus 19 minus L1. Okay, next 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 3 L1 7. Okay, this is the adjoint of A. Okay, first next you find A inverse. What is A inverse? A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Okay, right, so that is equal to A inverse is what is the determinant of A? 4, right? Adjoint of A is equal to what matrix? 7 1 minus 3 minus 19 minus 1 L1. Okay, so next minus L1 minus 1 and 7. Okay, this is A inverse. Okay, so next to find X matrix is equal to what? A inverse into B. Okay, so what is matrix X? X, Y, Z. So what is the A inverse? Already find out. The A inverse is equal to 1 by 4 into, so 7, 1 minus 3 minus 19, okay, minus 19, minus 19 minus 1 and L1, okay. Next is minus L1 minus 1 and 7 into matrix B. What is matrix B here? Okay, 7 minus 5 and 12, okay, right. This is the matrix B, right, okay. See, so next x, y, z equal to 1 by 4 into, okay, rows into column multiplication, okay, right. 7 7s are 49, okay. Next, 1 into minus 5 becomes what? Minus 5. Minus 3 into 12 becomes what? Minus 36, okay. So next, second row, first column, minus 19 into 7 becomes what? Minus 133. 19 7s are 133, okay. So next, here it is minus plus, 1 into 5 becomes 5. Next two, okay. So L1 12s are what? 132. 12 L1s are 132, okay, right. So next, minus L1 into 7 becomes what? Minus 77. Next, minus 1 into minus 5 becomes what? Plus 5. 7 12s are, okay, 12 7s are what? 84, okay, right. So next, x, y, z 1 by 4, here see, okay. Next to 49 minus 5 minus 36, see, this is minus 41, minus 5 minus 36 is minus 41. 49 minus 41 becomes what? 8, okay, right. So next to, here it is plus 132 plus 5 becomes 137. 137 minus 133, 48. Next, 5 plus 84, 89 minus 77. See, take the calculator and calculate here. So 89 minus 77 becomes what? 12, okay. So that is equal to, see, 4 1s are 4 2s are 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12, okay, right. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 4 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 4 1s are 4 2s are 4 4 get cancel 1, 4 1s are 4 3s are, okay. See, what is x value here? X value is 2, y value is 1 and z value is 3, okay, right. Okay, next third question. So ಇದನ್ನು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಸೊ ಸುಮಾರು ಒಂದು 4 ಸತಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ರೈಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೇಮ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಂತೂ ಚೇಂಜಸ್, ರೈಟ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಎ? write the coefficient 2 3 3, okay. Next 1 minus 2 1, okay. 3 minus 1 and last minus 2. Matrix A. Write the matrix B. So what is matrix B? 5 minus 4 3, okay. Write the matrix X. Matrix X becomes what? X y z, okay. First to find the determinant of A. So what is determinant of A? Determinant of A equal to, see, plus minus plus 2 into, okay, minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4 minus 1 into 1 becomes minus 1 minus plus 1, okay. Next, minus 3 into bracket, right. 1 into minus 2 minus 3 into 1 becomes what? 3, okay. Last, plus 3 into, okay, 1 into minus 1 becomes what? Minus 1 minus 3 into minus 2 becomes minus 6 minus what? Plus 6, okay. So that is equal to 2 into 4 plus 1 5 minus 3 into minus 5 plus 3 into minus 1 plus 6 becomes what? 5. That is equal to 2 5s are 10. Here it is minus minus plus, 3 5s are 15 and 3 5s again 15. Okay, 15 plus 15, 30, 30 plus 1 becomes what? 40. So it is not equal to 0, right? So next, to find adjoint of A, right? So write matrix A elements 2 3 3, 1 minus 2 1, again 3 minus 1 minus 2. Okay, write first two elements 2 3, 1 minus 2, 3 minus 1. Okay, again write first two, repeat 2 3 3 2 3. Okay, 1 minus 2 1 1 minus 2. Okay, right. Here this column, this row and this column cancel out. So next, to find A11. Okay, right. A11 equal to, okay, yes, multiple madi, minus 2 into minus 2 becomes what? 4, minus 1 into 1 becomes minus 1, minus minus plus 1 is equal to what? 5. A11. Next to A12 equal to, okay, 1 into 3 becomes what? 3, minus 2 into 1 becomes what? Minus 2, minus minus plus 2, 3 plus 2 becomes what? 5. Next, A13 equal to, so ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, 1 into minus 1 becomes what? Minus 1, minus 3 2s are 6, minus 6 minus minus plus 6, that is equal to what? 5. Okay, right. So next, A21 equal to, right, minus 1 into 3 becomes what? Minus 3, minus 3 into minus 2, 6 minus 6 minus minus plus 6 is equal to what? Minus 3 plus 6 becomes what? 3. Okay, so next, A22 equal to, just cross multiple, minus 2 into 2 minus 4, minus 3 3s are 9. Okay, minus 4 minus 9 becomes what? Minus L1. Okay, next, A23 equal to, 3 3s are 9, minus 2 into minus 1 becomes what? Minus 2, minus minus plus 2 equal to 9 plus 2 becomes what? L1. Okay, so next, A31 is equal to, right, 3 into 1 becomes what? 3, minus 2 into 3 becomes what? Minus 6, minus minus plus 6, 3 plus 6 becomes what? 9. Next, A32 equal to, 3 into 1, 3 into 1 becomes 3, minus 1 into 2 becomes what? 2, 3 minus 2 becomes what? 1. Next, A33 equal to, right, so 2 into minus 2, this becomes minus 4. Okay, next, 1 into 3 becomes what? 3, minus 4 minus 3 becomes what? Minus 7. Okay, right. Okay, so once again check madri, 4 plus 1 5, 3 plus 2 5, minus 1 plus 6 5, minus 3 plus 6 3, minus 4 minus 9. Okay, sorry, this is the 13, minus 13. Okay, right, remain 9 plus 2 11, 3 plus 6 9, 3 minus 2 1, minus 4 minus 7. Okay, right. So what is adjoint of A? Adjoint of A equal to, okay na, so A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33, so transpose, that is equal to, write the matrix A11, 5 5 5, 3 minus 13 L1, 9 1 minus 7. Okay, transpose. So adjoint of A equal to, okay, rows 5 5 5, rows into column, 3 minus 13 L1, 9 1 minus 7. Okay, this is the adjoint of A. Okay, so next to matrix X is equal to what? See, matrix X is equal to, right, you know, A inverse into A inverse into B. So what is A inverse? You know that A inverse, okay, na? X, Y, Z. A inverse is equal to what? 1 by determinant of A. So what is determinant of A value? 40 into adjacent of A. What is adjacent of A? Adjacent of A is equal to what? 5, 3, 9, 5 minus 13, 1, 5, L1 minus 7 into, what is the matrix B here? Matrix B equal to 5 minus 4, 3. Okay, right. So that is equal to, just multiply this one, that is equal to what? 1 by 40 here. 5 5 is 25. First to first column. 3 4 is minus 12. 9 3 is 27. Okay, right. So next 5 5 is 25. Here it is minus minus plus 13 into 4. So what is 13 into 4? 52, right? Next 1 into 3 becomes what? 3. Next 5 5 is 25 minus L1 4 is 44 plus minus 7 3 is 21. Okay, right. So that is equal to 1 by 40, right? 25 minus 12, here it is, see, 27 minus 12 becomes what? 15. 15 plus 25 is 40, right? Next what? 25 plus 52 and 3. 52 plus 3, 55. 55 plus 25 what? 18. Okay, see, here 25 minus 21 plus 4 minus 44 becomes what? Minus 40. So that is equal to 1 by 40 into what? 40, 80 and minus 40. Okay, right. See, next. So 40 by 40 becomes what? 1. X value is 1. Y value is 80 by 40 becomes what? 2. And Z value is minus 40 by 40 becomes what? Minus 1. Okay, right. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದೊಂದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಈ 4 ಕ್ವಶನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ, ರೈಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಒಂದು 3 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ರೈಟ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಎ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಎ? 3 minus 2 3, 2 1 minus 1, 4 minus 3 2. Okay, next what is matrix B? 8 1 4. Okay, matrix X Y Z. Okay, right. First to find the determinant of A. So determinant of A equal to what? Determinant of A equal to plus minus plus. Okay, 3 into bracket, column and row cancel. 1 into 2 becomes 2, minus 3 into minus 1 becomes 3. Okay, next minus, here it is minus, here it is minus becomes what? Plus 2 into bracket, this column and this row. 2 2s are 4, minus 4 into minus 1 becomes minus 4, and minus what? Plus 4. Okay, next plus 3 into this column and this row. 2 into minus 3 becomes what? Minus 3. 3 2s are 6, minus 6, minus 4 into 1 becomes 4. Okay, so next determinant of A equal to 3 into 2 minus 3 becomes what? Minus 1, plus 2 into 4 plus 4 becomes 8. Next 3 into minus 10. Okay, right. So next 3 into 1 becomes what? Minus 3, minus plus, okay, 2 8s are 16, minus 30. Okay, see here minus 3 minus 30 minus 33, minus 33 plus 16, okay, minus 17. Okay, that is not equal to 0. So this is determinant of A. Okay, next to find adjacent of A matrix, right? Okay, write the matrix A. So what is matrix A? 3 minus 2 3 and 2 1 minus 1 4 minus 3 2. Again repeat these two elements, 3 minus 2 2 1 4 minus 3. Okay, first write first two rows, again repeat 3 minus 2 3 3 minus 2. Okay, next 2 1 minus 1 2 1. Okay, right, first row ಮತ್ತೆ first column ಅನ್ನು cancel ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, next what? Okay, right. So next to find a11. Okay, right, a11 value, see, a11 value is a11 equal to 1 into 2. 1 into 2 becomes what? 2 minus 3 into 1 becomes minus plus 3 into 1 becomes 3, so that is equal to minus 3. 2 minus 3 becomes 1. Next a12 equal to minus 1 into 4 becomes what? Minus 4 minus 2 to the 4 minus 4, that is equal to minus 8. Next a13 equal to, okay, next 2 into minus 3 becomes what? Minus 6 minus 4 into 1 becomes what? 4, that is equal to minus 10. Okay, next a21 equal to, okay, next 3 into minus 3 minus 9 minus 2 into 2 minus plus 4 minus 9 plus 4 becomes what? 5. Okay, next a22 equal to, okay, 2 3s are 6 minus 3 4s are 12 is equal to minus 6. a23 equal to, next 4 into minus 2 becomes minus 8 minus 3 3s are 9 minus plus 9 is equal to 1. Okay, so next a31 equal to, see, minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2 minus 1 into 3 3, 2 minus 3 becomes minus 1. Next a32 equal to, 3 2s are 6 minus 1 into 3 minus 3 minus plus 3, 6 plus 3 becomes 9. The next a33 equal to, see, 3 into 1 becomes 3 minus 2 into 2, okay, minus 4 minus plus 4 is equal to 7. Okay, right. Okay, right, so here minus 9 plus 4 becomes minus 5, right? Okay, so next to find adjacent of A. So what is adjacent of A? You know the adjacent of A equal to, right, a11 a12 a13, right, next to a21 a22 a23 a31 a32 a33. Okay, transpose adjacent of A equal to, okay, right, write a11 minus 1 minus 8 minus 10, okay, minus 5 minus 6 1 minus 1 9 7. Okay, transpose. Then adjacent of A equal to, right, minus 1 minus 8 minus 10 minus 5 minus 6 1 minus 1 9 7. Okay, next to find A inverse. What is A inverse? You know A inverse equal to, so 1 by determinant of A, right, into adjacent of A. Okay, right. Okay, already determinant of A is equal to minus 17, so then X equal to what? A inverse into B matrix. X is equal to what is matrix X? X is equal to what? X Y Z. Matrix A inverse. A inverse is 1 by determinant of A. What is determinant of A? That is equal to minus 17, and adjacent of A equal to what? Minus 1 minus 5 minus 1. Next minus 8 minus 6 9 minus 10 1 7 into matrix B 8 1 4. Okay, that is equal to 1 by minus 17 into, okay, first row and first column, minus 1 into minus 8 minus 8 minus 5 into 1 minus 5 minus 1 into 4 minus 4. Okay, right. So next what? Minus 8 into 8 minus 64 minus 6 into 1 minus 6 9 4 is 36. Okay, next minus 10 into 8 becomes minus 80. 1 into 1 becomes 1. 7 into 4 becomes 28. Okay. That is equal to see, 1 by minus 17. See, minus 8 minus 5 minus 4 minus 17, right? Okay, right. So next minus 64 minus 6 and plus 36, this value becomes minus 34. Okay, use the calculator. Minus 80 plus 1 plus 20 what becomes what? Minus 51. Okay, right. So divide that one, so that value 17 cancel, minus minus plus, that becomes 1. 17 1s are 17 2s are minus minus plus, 17 1s are 17 3s are, right? 1 2 3. Okay, x y z, then x value becomes what? 1, y value becomes 2, and z value becomes what? 3. Okay, right. So you 4 questions ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು perfect ಆಗಿ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ so get 4 marks, right? Okay, thank you.